That spider is being hunted. It just doesn't know it yet. The thing watching it, 8 millimeters long, no venom worth mentioning, no speed, no strength, is about to run a con. And it's done this before.
This is the Portia spider. It lives in the rainforests of Africa, Asia, and Australia. It is small, it is slow, it has no special weapon. What it has is a plan. Portia hunts other spiders, not insects, not flies, other spiders, on their own webs, in their own territory. That is either very brave or very stupid. It is neither. It is calculated. That is it. A poppy seed. That is what Portia is running all of this on. Inside that space, Portia can recognize different spider species, learn which tricks work on which species, plan routes it cannot see the end of, change strategy mid-hunt when one approach stops working. And it can do something almost no other spider on Earth can do. It can lie. Not instinct, not accident. Deliberate, calculated deception. The smartest hunter in the spider world, running on the slowest hardware possible. That is the trade. Is a slow, perfect decision better than a fast, imperfect one? Strategy versus instinct. Chess versus reflex. Which one wins? Comment. Here is how Portia hunts. Step 1. Find a web with a spider in it. Step 2. Get on the web without being detected. It moves one leg at a time, slower than slow. Because the web is an alarm system. The spider inside it feels every vibration. So Portia sends fake vibrations. It plucks the threads to mimic the feel of a trapped insect, a struggling fly, a caught moth. Come and get it, and the spider comes. But sometimes the trick doesn't work. Different spider, different response. Most predators at this point leave, try somewhere else. Portia doesn't leave. It tries something else. Different vibration, different frequency, different rhythm. Still nothing. It tries again and again. Researchers have documented Portia running through 20 different vibration strategies on a single hunt. 20! Until it finds the one that works on that specific spider. It doesn't give up. It experiments. Every failure is information. Here is the most unsettling part. Portia can plan routes. Not just follow a scent, not just move toward what it can see. Plan. In experiments, researchers set up situations where the only path to prey required a long detour. A detour where the prey disappeared from view completely for the entire journey. Portia would stop, study the layout, sometimes for up to an hour, then take the correct detour, without being able to see where it was going. It held the destination in its mind the entire time, on a brain the size of a poppy seed. But here is the tax. All of that thinking, it takes time. While Portia is planning, a faster spider has already eaten. While Portia is studying a detour, the prey might move. Portia takes minutes to solve problems other spiders solve in seconds. The smartest hunter in the web, running at the slowest clock speed in the jungle. It finds the web. It stops. It watches the resident spider for nearly 2 minutes before moving. It gets on the web so slowly, you almost can't see it moving. First vibration pattern. The resident spider turns. It's working. Closer. The strike is fast. Hunt complete. Evolution had a choice. Fast and instinct-driven, or slow and strategic. Almost everything picked fast. Portia picked strategy and paid for it with speed. It thinks in a world that mostly reacts. It plans in a world that mostly guesses. It experiments in a world that mostly gives up.
And it does all of this on hardware so small you could lose it in a pepper shaker. Evolution gave the Portia spider a chess player's mind, then gave it a calculator's processing speed. And it still wins. Not because it's faster than everything else, because it's willing to think longer than everything else is willing to wait. The smallest strategist in the jungle, running the longest con.